Everyone, friends, I welcome you all in today's discussion। और आज ये की वार्ता जो है स्टॉक मार्केट से रिलेटेड है। मैंने कुछ पेनी स्टॉक्स जो कि डेप्ट फ्री है, उस पर कोई कर्ज नहीं है और उनका मार्केट कैप भी कम है और प्राइस भी ऑलमोस्ट काफ़ी कम है। ऐसे स्टॉक्स मैंने सेलेक्ट किया है। आइए हम वन बाय वन एक पहले तो मैं उन सभी 13 स्टॉक मैंने ऐसा सेलेक्ट किया है चूँकि लो मार्केट कैप होने के कारण उसमें फर्दर पोटेंशियल है कि वह ग्रो करेगा, इसलिए मैंने ऐसा सेलेक्ट किया और डेप्ट भी बिल्कुल जीरो है। तो मैं पर जस्ट उन 13 स्टॉक का मैं पहला नाम आपको बताता हूँ। फर्स्ट इज मिस टेक्नोलॉजी, सेकेंड इज CES, थर्ड वन इज Pearl Securities, fourth is Swarna Securities, fifth one is Mongipa Securities, sixth one is Sudha Ventures, seventh is Raghunath International, eighth is Fruiton Venture, ninth one is PVV Infra, then tenth one is Bhilwara Tech, 11th is Dhanlakshmi Kotax, 12th is Titan Securities, and 13th is Nilkant Rock। Let us come and discuss one by one this stock individually। First is Mist Technology। Friends, Mist Technology is a stock is manufacturing this chemical processing equipments like heat exchangers, air drying plants, etc. The market cap is 0.08 crore. Stock P is 0.05. ROC is 89.2. Current price of the stock is 0.97. Book value is 3.62. Then high and low is 0.97 and low is 0.69. And face value of the stock is 10 rupees। Now let us come to second stock, that is CES। CES is an information technology IT stock and is a business process management company and it is engaged in providing services like tailor made to the customers। Now let us see the market cap of the stock is 1.09 crore, stock P is 0.04, ROCE return on capital employed is 30.9, current price is 0.30, book value is 33.4, ROE is 23.2, high low is 0.30 to 0.30, dividend yield is 0, face value is 10 rupees। Now come to next stock, third one, that is Preeti Securities। Friends, Preeti Security is a stock. It is engaged in trading of textile and mainly it is engaged in this furnishing fabrics। The market cap of the stock is 5.63, stock P is 3.88, ROCE of the stock is 23.2, current price is 15 rupees, book value is 22.4, ROE is 16.7, the high low of the stock is 22.1 and 4.90, dividend yield is 0, face value of the stock is 10 rupees। Let us come to next stock, that is Swarna Securities। Friend, Swarna Securities, the stock is engaged in business of rent from immovable property। The market cap of the stock it is 4.67 crore, stock P is 7.41, ROCE of the stock is 22.7, current price is 15.6, book value is 12, ROE is 18.5, high low is 15.6, face value is 10 rupees। Next stock is Mungipa Securities। Friends, Mungipa Securities, the current market price, let us see the complete profile of the stock। Mungipa Securities, the market cap of the stock is 6.15 crore, stock P is 3.06, ROCE is 21.4%, Current price of the stock is 12.3, book value is 16.2, ROE is 21.6. High low, if you see, it is 12.3 and low is 2.22. Dividend yield is 0, face value of the stock is 10. Just we know about the company. Mungappa Securities is engaged in the business of investing activities, investment research, investment banking and wealth management. Let us come to next stock, and this is Siddha Ventures. See the complete profile of Siddha Ventures. Siddha Ventures Limited, this stock is engaged in other financial service activities except insurance and pension funding activity. Let us see the market cap of the stock is 2.38 crore, stock P is 0.94, ROC is 14.70, current price of the stock is 2.38, book value is 18.3, ROE is 14.7, high low is 2.90 and 0.95, and dividend yield is 0, face value of the stock is 10 rupees. Let us come to next stock. This is Raghunath International. Raghunath International, the stock is engaged in the business of real estate and development. We see the market cap of the stock is 6.68 crore, stock P is 4.81, ROC of the stock is 12.7, current market price of the stock is 13.4, book value is 24.6, ROE is 13.9. See the high and low, that is high is 15.8, low is 1.63, and face value of the stock is 10 rupees. Let us come to next stock. Next stock is Fruchan Venture. Fruchan Venture, the Fruchan Ventures Limited, this stock is engaged in the business of shares, stock, securities and it is a finance broker. The market cap of the stock is 3.46 crore, stock P is 3.80, ROC is 11.6, current market price is 8.60, book value is 12.1, ROE is 7.33, high and low is high is 16.00, low is 6.50. Face value of the stock is 10 rupees. Let us come to next stock, that is PVV Infra Limited. PVV Infra Limited, this is engaged in the business of infrastructure. The market cap of the stock is 3.59, stock P is 2.24, ROC is 9.80, current market price is 6.15, book value is 21.1, ROE is 9.80. Let us see high low, high is 9.73 and low is 4.35, face value of the stock is 10 rupees. Let us come to next stock. Next stock is Bhilwara Technology, Bhilwara Technical Textiles Limited. This is the main carrying the business of various textile products. Presently the company is engaged in the business of trading of yarns. The market cap of the stock is 85 crore, stock P is 4.18, ROC is 5.48, current market price is 14.6, book value of the stock is 23.8, ROE is 5.32, high and low, the high is 24.2, low is 3.20, face value of the stock is 1 rupee. Let us come to next stock, that is Dhanlaxmi Kotex. Let us see the complete profile. The Dhanlaxmi Kotex, this company is engaged in the business of finance and investment and share trading. Let us see market cap, which is 7.01 crore, stock P is 4.38, ROC is 1.61, current market price is 14.40, book value of the stock is 73.6, ROE is 1.48, and high low, that is high is 14.4 and 10.9, almost it is near to its 52-week high. Face value of the stock is 10 rupees. Now let us come to next stock, that is Titan Securities. Titan Securities Limited. This company is engaged in financial activities except without accepting public deposit, and it is a non NBFC. Let us see market cap of the stock is 40.3 crore, Stock P is 4.55, ROC is 0.80, current market price is 16.10, book value is 19.1, ROE is 25.2, high is 26.80, low is 7.08, face value of the stock is 10 rupees. Let us come to next stock, and which is the last stock, 13th one, that is Nilkant Rock Miners Limited. This company is engaged in manufacturers and export of granite, slabs, tiles and mineral products. Let us see the market cap, which is 4.18 crore, stock P is 2.71, ROC of the stock is 0.16, current market price is 8.30, book value is 14.2, ROE of the stock is 0.16, high and low, high is 11 rupees, low is 6.37, dividend yield is 0, face value of the stock is 10 rupees. So we have I have sorted this 13 penny stock, which is our debt free and market cap is also low. So I hope this company is really at a very low price, and the most important in this company is that they are debt free and the market cap is low. As soon as price increases, definitely market cap will increase, and I have all we can see that the company's dividend yield is not there, but this net profit are there in the companies, that and sales has also in many companies. So with all this, I hope the 13 company which I have discussed are really at very less price, but like earlier, I will definitely give my sincere advice that before making any investment, you are go to make deep analysis and also consult your own financial advisor for making any investment. With all this, I am making end of today's presentation. With all this, I give my sincere thanks to each and every viewers.